How to download Bing AI on PC 2024. In this video, we're going to be quickly talking about Bing AI and how you can download it on your PC. Now, as you know, Bing AI is an AI software that allows you to not only create images, but it also has its very own chatbot. So to download it for yourself, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to the Microsoft Store where you can download the Microsoft Copilot, which is basically Bing AI, in your very own PC. So once you come over here, what you're simply going to be doing is you're going to click on get or you're going to click on install. And what that does is it brings you to your actual Microsoft store. And over there, what you're simply going to do is download it. And once you download it, as you can see, this is going to be your Bing AI or your Microsoft Copilot, which both cases are the same. They are AIs and your companions. So basically, that is how you're going to be downloading Bing AI on your PC in the easiest way. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.